I chose today to mow my grass.
Oh.
And it was hot.
Yeah, hot this morning.
It was too hot to do it.
It's a little bit too hot out there to do much of anything, really. Although these afternoon showers are nice, that kind of cool us down a little bit. Heat index at one point was 104 degrees this afternoon.
I believe it.
I think we're going to be a little hotter, too, over the next couple of days at least, because more sunshine around, and that will translate into a little bit more heat, just a little bit more. And it looks like just a few showers to cool us down. That's what we had today. Hopefully, these clouds that are around now will clear out just in time to spot the International Space Station going on by tonight at around 9:26. In fact, right at 9:26 should make its appearance in the southwest sky, about a fist above the horizon, and then move to the northeast. The duration will be 6 minutes. Should be a pretty good look at that. And the maximum height is 71 degrees above the horizon, which is pretty high, so that'll be fun. Hopefully the skies will clear for where you are. Siesta, this was last night, another thunderstorm blowing up late in the evening. The sky was just lit up last night as those storms were around. And at Lakewood Ranch, there's some rain nearby, but most of the heavy rain fell down south into Venice, also near Osprey, Nokomis, and Palmer Ranch, and then it's kind of shifted off basically to the north, and not a whole lot of activity going on today, not nearly as much as it could be for this time of year. Now, we do have some rain still lingering near Northport, but not much. Some showers just to the east of Punta Gorda. And that rain I mentioned earlier that moved through parts of Sarasota is now just north of Lakewood Ranch. State Road 70, 64, Waterleaf getting some heavy rainfall. And down to street level we go. You can see that Lakewood Ranch Boulevard, some pretty heavy rainfall. You'll notice not a lot of lightning strikes with this particular cell at this point. It could generate some down the road as it heads towards Parrish. Some near Duet. There's a few strikes there in the northeast corner of Manatee County. I mentioned Northport. They had some heavier rainfall earlier. That has since moved on. A few showers just to the east of Port Charlotte. These may clip parts of Northport, but for the most part, not as many showers and thunderstorms expected over the next 48 hours. Right now it's 89. The heat index, you factor in the humidity, feels like 97 degrees. We have a west to southwest wind at 6, and the pressure holding steady right now, in fact, at 30.01 inches. 94 the high, a few degrees shy of the record 97. This morning's low was at 77 degrees, and that too running high. No rainfall officially at the airport. For the month, anyway, near the coast, we haven't had as much rain as we would normally expect for this month. We're 2 inches below average there at the airport. 91 in Jacksonville, 3 degrees warmer in Orlando. It's 89 now in Miami, and temperatures where it's been raining has cooled down a little bit. Northport, although, starting to rebound now at 86. 86 in Venice Gardens, still 91 in Bradenton, save in Avon Park and Wauchula at 83 degrees. Well, here's your hourly forecast tomorrow. Looks to be a warm start, upper 70s. We'll warm up to the low 90s by 1 o'clock. A few showers in the afternoon and an isolated thunderstorm. Not out of the question tomorrow afternoon, but the rain chances pretty small as a result of this. Dry air that you see here on our scale continues to kind of move in our direction, although thinning out a bit, but still that trail will move right through us tomorrow, and that will give us less chance of storms. But with heat actually up in the low 90s, there'll still be a few around with that southeasterly wind flow. So we'll count on a few showers this evening, and then fair, and then a few showers coming back tomorrow, not many. And then again on Thursday, similar conditions. Now we have a little upper level low moving by down to our south. It is tropical in nature. And when that happens, the air cools in the upper levels of the atmosphere 40 to 50,000 feet. And that at times can create some severe weather. So I think that'll be our best potential will be over the weekend, both on Friday, Saturday, and possibly even in the Sunday. Here's the boating forecast. Looks good. Sea is pretty quiet out there. Sea is running 2 feet or less, a light chop. East winds 5 to 10. UV index will stay high. And the water temperature, bath warm, 89 degrees. High tide at 6:43, so just in a few minutes. Another one at 6:48 tomorrow morning. Isolated showers, mostly fair. Hopefully skies clear just in time for that International Space Station. Then partly cloudy tomorrow. Slight chance for showers late in the day. Should be nice throughout most of it. Heat index up near about 104. The extended forecast, it calls for more of the same Thursday. We moisten up a little bit on Friday. Better chances for storms on Saturday and Sunday.